Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today, we bring you an enlightening topic that may transform your financial life and amplify blessings in wealth and prosperity. We are discussing Sha'ban's most powerful wazifa for wealth and prosperity, an essential remedy to invite abundance and divine favor into your life. True prosperity in Islam is not only about material wealth, but also involves having a heart enriched with faith, deeds filled with righteousness, and a life radiating peace and satisfaction. Sha'ban, one of the most revered months in the Islamic calendar, is an excellent opportunity to double down on spiritual practices and make prayers more meaningful. Practicing wazifa during Sha'ban is paramount, and it is backed by sincerity, patience, and gratitude. Firstly, let's dive into the wazifa itself. 1. Begin by performing wudu, and find a peaceful place where you can focus solely on your prayers. 2. Sit facing the direction of Qibla and start with 3 times Durood Sharif, which is a form of peace and blessings upon Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. 3. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha 3 times with complete concentration. 4. Follow with this specific recitation: Ya Ghaniyu Ya Mughni, Ya Fatahu Ya Razak. Recite this powerful supplication 111 times. The names refer to Allah as the self-sufficient, the enricher, the opener, and the sustainer, respectively. 5. Conclude with 3 times Durood Sharif and then make dua, heartfelt supplications, asking Allah to grant you wealth, prosperity, and sustenance. It is crucial to maintain a pure intention throughout, focusing on a balanced life inspired by godly attributes like modesty, piety, and generosity. As with all prayers and supplications, faith and dedication are the keys to experiencing true miracles. This wazifa, according to Islamic scholars, has been known to bring unprecedented success and an overflow of blessings when practiced with unwavering faith and the right intention. It acts as a spiritual vehicle to cleanse one's heart and prepare the soul for receiving divine wealth. Now, let us consider some factual insights. Did you know that the month of Sha'ban is also well known for being a month where the deeds of a person are raised to the heavens? Thus, investing effort in wazifa during this month might translate to multiplied rewards and even greater prosperity. Before we conclude, we would love to know, have you tried any wazifa during Sha'ban before? What changes or blessings did you experience? Share your thoughts in the comments section. We are eager to hear your stories and reflections. If you found this video helpful and transformative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Your support enables us to continue sharing such valuable insights. May Allah bless your journey towards wealth wrapped in spiritual richness. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.